Hello little stars. Welcome to Happy Wonder Kids. Today, we have a fun challenge. Guess the sound of vehicles. Are you ready? Let's start. Listen carefully. Beep beep. Which vehicle makes this sound? Is it a car, a train, or a bus? Yes. That's right, it's a car. Which vehicle is rushing to help? Fire truck, motorcycle, or tractor? Correct. That's the fire truck. Choo-choo. What's coming on the track? A bus, a train, or a plane? Yes, it's the train. Flying in the sky. Is it an airplane, a helicopter, or a rocket? Correct. Helicopter. Rumble rumble. Working in the fields. Is it a tractor, truck, or bus? Yes, it's the tractor. Wow little stars. You guessed all the vehicle sounds. Great job. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Happy Wonder Kids for more fun quizzes.